I will never lose hope. No matter how heavy the pain gets, no matter how dark the night becomes, I will hold on. Life has broken me, tested me, and pushed me to the edge. But I'm still here. I'm not perfect. I've cried in silence. I've felt forgotten. I've been tired of trying. But still, I rise. Because deep down I believe that better days will come. I believe that one day, all the tears I cried will make sense. I believe that one day the storm will pass and the sun will shine again. I've come too far to quit now. I've fought battles no one saw. I've healed from wounds that should have destroyed me. And even if no one else believes in me, I believe in myself. My hope is my power. My hope is my fire. It may flicker, but it will never go out. I don't care how slow I go, I'm still moving. I don't care how many times I fall, I'll rise again. I will never give up. I will never stop. And I will never, ever lose hope.